Welcome to qnawire.
This you have done in Excel. I'm assuming that I could also do this in Excel. It says, on this sheet, you will investigate the relationship between the years of education and average income. First, consider the following chart of education versus average income. Below it, use Excel functions, so it says to use Excel functions, to find the slope and y-intercept of the best fit line for the given coordinates. Then, to the right, use the slope and the y-intercept to calculate the average weekly income for all years education from 8 to 24. Finally, create a chart showing the BLS data as a scatter plot and add an auto trend line to this chart showing the years of education versus predicted average income superimposed on the BLS data and forecast backward 8 years and forward 24 years. That is, the line should start at 8 years and end at 24 years on the horizontal axes. Here you should format your slope and y-intercept as numbers with 0 decimal places and your average weekly income as a currency with the dollar symbol and 0 decimal places. In case you'd like to explore the data, it gives the website for that. So add your chart here in X and Y scatter plot of the BLS data in columns A and B, not the data columns in C and D, plus an auto trend line forecasting backward 8 and forward 24 years. All right, so I am going to first insert a scatter plot using the BLS data. Okay, so here is my BLS data. And I'm going to add in a trend line. And there's my trend line, which is the same exact trend line that you do have. Just going to make it a little bit bigger and bolder. And what we can do is we can forecast backward and forward. So I want to go back 2 periods. So to 2008. I'm sorry, I want to go forward 2 periods and I want to go backward 2 periods. So backward 2. 2.0. Okay. So if I go backward, this is approximately where I go. And if I go forward, that's where I go. Okay. So that is the forecasting of this. Now, I want to use the equation that I have to go backward and to go forward. Okay, so I'm going to do equals, and in parentheses, I'm going to have 139.13 times 8. And then plus this. Or actually, I can just do, I'm going to do negative 929.54. And then hit enter. And I'm going to, something ain't right with my formula. Hold on. So my formula is, oh, I know why. There we go. Now that looks more right. Okay, so as you can see, this is the predicted incomes based on the line of best fit. And I'm going to add my, and then I mean, I don't have to add my chart in because it's going based off of my line of best fit right here, the BLS data. So I hope that this video helped. This is the middle school math teacher signing out. Oh, nope, before I sign out, hold on. Sorry. I need to go forward 4 years. Oh, wait, no. Go backward 2 years because it started at 10 and forward 4 years. And there we go. Sorry about that. So I hope that this video has helped. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.